today's tutorial, I will show you how to export single or all charts from Excel worksheets to PowerPoint. Sometimes you may need to export a chart or all charts from Excel to PowerPoint for some purpose. This tutorial will introduce VBA codes to export a single chart or all charts from a workbook to PowerPoint. Please do as follows. Press the Alt F11 keys together to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Click the Tools tab. Click References. In the References VBA project dialog box, scroll down to find the Microsoft PowerPoint Object Library option. Check this option and then click the OK button. Then click the Insert tab. Click Module. And if you want to export a single chart to PowerPoint, please go to select the chart in a worksheet. Then return to the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window and paste the following VBA code into the model window. Then press the F5 key to run this code. And then a new PowerPoint will be opened with the selected chart imported, as you can see. If you want to export all charts from a workbook, close this model window as well. Click Insert, click Module, and paste the following VBA code into the model window. Press the F5 key to run this code, and in the popping up macros dialog, click the Run button. And as you can see, a new PowerPoint has opened with the selected charts imported. Please do not forget that the link to the VBA codes are provided in the video's description. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.